Welcome back, guys, on another What I Eat in a Day on Nutrisystem. If you like these, don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, so my breakfast today is looking like granola cereal, 150 calories, 2 grams of fat, 4 grams of fiber, which is pretty good. I'll be having that with just a few cooked strawberries and raspberries that's shown here. And I'll probably do just a tiny bit of oat milk with this, or almond milk, whichever one I have. For a snack later on, I'm going to be doing this chocolatey pretzel bar, 170 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 5 grams of fiber, 8 grams of protein. And then I'm going to be taking this to work with me also because it's just super simple and convenient. I don't really like these little ranch packets that it comes with, so I'll probably just be eating this on its own, or I'll be looking for like a little peanut butter packet to go with that instead. But this is pretty much it, and then I'm going to grab a water and a Zevia. Oh, hold on a second. Okay, so I just wanted to show you really quick because I grabbed a bunch of them. I'm going to be taking them to work and sharing them with some of my coworkers, and then just having some at work. So I've really been liking this. This is a sweetened green tea. I actually haven't tried that flavor, but I just mean like I've really been liking this brand. They have raspberry, they have passion fruit. So far I've tried the peach and I have tried the blood orange. I was just trying to see if I could find the blood orange. Oh, this one. So if you guys are looking for something to drink that's, I don't know, kind of sweet, a tea, but with flavor, this is a really good option. Okay, so I'm going to be using this vanilla almond milk. It's unsweetened. This will work. I got this in particular one at Trader Joe's, 30 calories per cup. You know, low on sugar, all that good stuff. Oh, and then I wanted to point out that another great option that you can do this for a power fuel, because this counts as a power fuel when you add the cup. You have the option of adding something like Greek yogurt, even if it's flavored, although I wouldn't get any of the really sweet ones, just maybe plain unflavored or something with flavor but unsweetened. So yeah, Greek yogurt is really great too. For lunch, this is the double chocolate caramel bar. It has 180 calories, 6 grams of total fat, 4.5 grams of saturated fat, and 10 grams of protein. So this is what it looks like. It's covered in chocolate. This is about the sizing of it. And then if we break it open, if I can with one hand, there we go. I have had this one before. I do remember liking it. It's very brownie-like, if you guys are into that.
I was made to love you. I was made to find you. I was made just for you. Made to adore you. I was made to love and be loved by you.
Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys really quick what I'm eating for dinner. So I'm going to be having the lasagna with meat sauce. I don't think I've ever tried their lasagna. It's 260 calories, 10 grams of total fat, 6 grams of fiber, 15 grams of protein. And then with this, I'm going to be having this as my side. It's mashed cauliflower. So instead of having mashed potatoes as a side, I'll be doing this. Although, I mean, it does have some extras in it because it does come with some bacon and cheese already inside of it. Drink, I've really been liking these. I don't know if you guys have tried these. They're really, really good. I like the lime and watermelon one. They're all 0 calories, 0 sugar. So, and they come in pretty big cans. I think they have smaller ones available too, though.
And this was my dinner. I forgot the vegetables. I'm going to be honest, I really didn't like this, especially this cauliflower mash, but you live and you learn. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget that you guys are freaking awesome. I love you guys. Catch you on the next video.